Hi, I'm Lynn Range with Vista Sotheby's International Realty. Welcome to my new listing at 937 8th Street in the heart of the prestigious hill section of Manhattan Beach. Luxury awaits in this elegantly designed Montecito-inspired estate. Come take a look. Just blocks to the beach, this home is a sanctuary in which to relax, entertain, and enjoy within the thoughtfully designed indoor and outdoor living spaces. As you enter the glass and iron entry gate into the stone-paved courtyard with fireplace and soothing fountain, the traditional floor plan begins with a luxurious home office with custom built-in cabinetry. Just beyond is the formal dining room and main living room, both highlighted by dramatic columns, cast stone fireplace, custom forged iron lighting fixtures, and elegant window coverings. Seamlessly float from the gourmet chef's kitchen with Wolf and Sub-Zero appliances, Miele coffee station, and oversized Calcutta marble-capped center island and breakfast bar to the adjacent dining nook with built-in upholstered seating and custom dining table. French doors open to the private logia anchored by a lovely fireplace, TV, built-in barbecue and beverage center. Below is the newly and exquisitely remodeled pool and spa with stacked stone waterfall and private cabana with its own fireplace, built-in cabinets, bar, TV, and custom wood shutters. As you ascend the architectural curved stairwell, there are 4 additional bedrooms, all with ensuite baths, including the generously sized primary suite with intimate dual-sided fireplace, a spa-like soaking tub, an adjoining walk-in closet, and yet another private balcony with spectacular views. The lower level of this property hosts a guest quarters, 500-bottle temperature-controlled wine cellar, an in-home gym, and a spacious great room, which is truly an entertainer's dream. This stunning property with panoramic views of downtown LA and the snow-capped mountains boasts soaring ceilings throughout the almost 5,200 square foot, expansive and exceptionally detailed home. This unique property is truly a resort with every luxury and amenity one could hope for. This is a property the discerning buyer will not want to miss.